Hello students, today let's discuss the problems on generating regular expressions. So as we had seen what do we mean by regular expressions and regular grammar, now we can see some problems on how we can generate regular expressions. Okay, so here I have taken few examples where I would explain you those and later you can try out some of the other examples. So here say sigma is a and b. It means it is going to have strings over a and b. So the condition given is the set of all strings. Whenever it is all strings, you have to consider star containing exactly two a's. So within your string there should be exactly two a's, neither less nor more. Okay, so that mandatory a's I am going to write, and as it is a string of a's and b's and set of all string लिखा है, तो I can write b star a, b star a, b star, because this b star can be empty also. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये b स्टार तीनों जो है वो empty है, तो से मेरा स्ट्रिंग आएगा a a. अगर सपोज यहाँ पे एक b लिया तो ये b आ जाएगा, फिर a आएगा, फिर ये empty लिया, a लिया, this is again empty. So I am going to get b a a. Say for example I consider 1 1 b. So it would be b a b a b. So you can try this out. Okay, and you are going to get exactly 2 a's. So that is what is we require. So this is a regular expression for our given question. Now your string must contain at least 2 a's. At least 2 a's means more than 2 a's are allowed. Okay, so 2 a's, so the mandatory 2 a's I am writing over here. They're not, yes, at least 2 means minimum 2 should be there. So I am writing it, and it can be more than 2 a's also. So I can write now a plus b star, a plus b the whole star, and a plus b the whole star. So what happens here? Say for example a plus b the whole star means I can consider a, b, or b itself. A won't be there. Okay, so say for example a plus b star may say I just include a, and this is a, and here I say I am taking b, and here this is a, and this I am taking as say b. So what is the string I am getting is a b a b. So at least 2 a's so I am getting. Yes, minimum 2 a's should be there. If there are more, they are also okay. So that is the reason I have written the regular expression as like this. Now it should contain a substring double a. So substring double a must be coming in your words. So a plus b star, a plus b star. So यहाँ पे अगर हमने empty कंसिडर किया तो भी हमारा पहला स्ट्रिंग a रहेगा. फिर सपोज यहाँ पे मैंने b ले लिया तो ये b a और फिर ये empty हो गया, तो सबस्ट्रिंग a आ रहा है, डबल a आ रहा है इसमें. फिर सपोज इसे empty रखा, देन आई कैन राइट a b, या फिर a still the substring a is coming. So substring a चाहिए तो we can write this a plus b star a and then followed by a plus b the whole star. Say for example if your set is 0 1 2, it is separated by comma, so you can understand that it is a union. So the regular expression you can write it as 0 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so whenever it is comma you can just do the union or write it with the sign plus. Say for example your word is belonging to a comma b star, means it is a set of strings of a and b. Okay, but the w is having only exactly only one a, so only one a it is having. Yes, not more than one a. So here the mandatory a I have written, and rest I can write b star and b star. Why I write b star because एक ही a चाहिए, a के ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शन है ना, इसलिए यहाँ पे ऐसे हम लोग नहीं लिखते a प्लस बी स्टार a प्लस बी स्टार, क्योंकि अगर ये दोनों पार्ट में से a आ गया तो फिर देयर वोंट बी ओनली वन a, राइट. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई डोंट राइट लाइक दिस वे. Okay, so I hope you would have understood. You can try out this problems like the set of all strings over 0 1 which has at most 2 zeros, then a raised to 2, a raised to 5, a raised to 8, then a raised to n where n is divisible by 2 or 3 or n equal 5, and the set of all strings over A comma B ending and beginning with A. Just have a happy practice time and let me know in the comments whether you were able to solve it or not. Thank you.